Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, this video is very important for you. I'm purchasing couple of accessories for my Tesla car. This accessory is coming from the Java brand. First accessory, I'm purchasing LED light bar holder for my backside dicky. Product price is the 34 euro. So here different types of features they are providing. Look at this here, such kind of bar available. After fixing this one, look like this. So during the night time you should use and helpful for this accessories. You can charge once and use 3 to 4 months continuously. That one is really nice. And second thing, I'm purchasing power dock combo Apple accessories. Especially you should charge here the Apple Watch and the AirPod as well in the Tesla panel. Inside the Tesla we already receive the power. If you have iPhone, you just put it there and charging is a start. But if you have AirPod and Apple Watch, doesn't fix for this particular location. So that's why I'm purchasing this one. We will see unboxing as well as how to fix and how to use. Let's check it out. First of all, unboxing. Now this is the power align station. First of all, I just simply open this one. It's really nice, quality is amazing. Second thing, the same wireless magnetic charging set. So we just simply open this one. It's very lightweight, compact, so we can fix here like this. It's really nice. Inside the box we receive very high quality C-type charging. Look at this here, the 360 degrees Celsius. The working you can fix like this. So first of all, I just simply do like this, the C-type. After that you can fix like this. It's really nice. So if you have AirPod, so you just put it like this and charge. And this is the Apple Watch, you just put it like this and charging is a start. Now the LED light and bar, so I just simply this one. The product quality is amazing. And here the grip you can fix very easily in the car. I will show you how to fix as well. Now last accessories, LED light. Inside the box they are providing C to C type charging cable as well. So you should charge like this, very easily used. The quality of this one, it's really nice, amazing. If you should on this one, this is the on, turn it on off keys here. Look at this, and here is the auto, middle is off, then on, always on, and then this side is auto. So like fix like this, that one is really nice. Second thing, I just open this box as well, and let's see. Inside the box we are receiving same charging cable, worth it to purchase this one. Quality is really nice and amazing. Yes, as it is, we receive the charging cable as well. So this is our product. It's really nice, worth it, especially the quality is amazing of this product. Now we can go outside and fix this accessory and let's see. Now first accessory we just fix here inside the back trunk, or you should use this accessories any your favorite place. So before fix this accessory, I'm doing this one in auto, and I just simply fix here. So if I'm putting here anything, so not disturb and not falling down and not think other things. So this is the second one, I just simply fix here. So look at this here, here is the little dark, so light is automatically turn it on. That is beauty of this product. So look at this, this is the panel of my car. I just put it like this, connect here, charging cable, I attach here. So look at this, if I attach here so the charging is just start. That is really nice. And second thing, this is my AirPod. If I put it here, So airport charging is also start mandatory. This airport case is wireless, so you can very easily charge this one. As a connecting point of view, here I attach, here the little light is showing here, and I attach here. It's very easy to charge during the car drive, or you don't spend any time of different places. So that is the beauty of this product. If you have any question regarding this product, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.